Okay, so let's go through just a couple of different places to go through and find information. So I've already taken you through some other sections other websites you can go to. So remember, probably the best place to go to right now is going to be onto the student portal, and then you need to look for the library find information or the library general research. Okay, and there's some other ones on here too that you can go through. You can't see the screen? Okay. So once you're on the student portal, go and find the find information section or look up the general research section. And there's also history. This will probably be a good one, but I would start with some of these. Now, within these, you can see the Britannica Middle School. So when you go on here and you actually type in what you want to find, there are going to be different websites, different articles on the left side, you can see, and even some videos. Okay, now the other useful place that I would say you can go to is there is a in the general research tab, there's a Gale News. Okay, so you can click on that, and it's going to take you to a website where you can look up information. So let's say we want to look up Earhart. Okay, so let's say we look up Amelia Earhart. Okay, and now one of the things is that you need to look at the date. So this one's from like a few days ago. So this is made or not a few from a few months ago. So you need to make sure that you're sorting up here, sort by oldest, because we want to look for those primary sources. And so as we look through here and see some older sources, okay. So it looks like some of these may not be um, yeah, some of these may not be primary sources because they're from 1980. And if you've been doing your research, you know that Amelia Earhart disappeared um, about 50 years before that. Okay, so but you can use these as secondary sources because this is still talking about the Earhart mystery. So you can open that up, um, and then you can begin looking at what it says. All right, so that is just a few of the places, a few more places you can look at. I would also look at the Library of Congress. You can actually go and if you type into Google old newspapers online, and then the second link right here is a good one to go to, or the third one. They're the same thing. When you click on that, that's going to take you to a website that has a lot of old newspapers on there, and then you can type in what you want to see. So um, you can also change the years. So if you know that the years of your event happened earlier or later, you can actually change this. So this is 1789. So that's like the very beginning of American history. So you could change this all the way up to the time that you want. Okay. And then you can go through and change all the other options. Okay. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Just newspapers are always a good place to look. You are going to have to read a little bit in there, but I can try to help you. Okay.